Simula ngayong araw, gagawa na ako ng mga long form video. Simula ngayong araw, lagi na ako mag-upload sa YouTube ng mga mahabang videos. Kasi bihira ako gawin yun eh. Yung gumawa ng mga mahabang videos. More on short videos lang na ina-upload ko sa YouTube, IG, Facebook, TikTok. Ngayon, makikita nyo na lahat ng mga ginagawa ko everyday. Sa store, or kung ako man yung bibili, kung may kulang. Vlogs, pag gagawa kami ng vlog ni Doms. Lahat ng yun, makikita nyo everyday. So, more on landscape, yung mga magagawa kong videos. Yun naman yung goals ko. Is mag-put up ng maraming videos. Para mas matuto pa ako, para mas tutunan ko pa paano pag gumawa ng mga mas creative na videos dito sa platform ng social media. So, everyday ko siya gagawin. Everyday edits, everyday video, everyday gagawa ko ng mga malulupit na video. Para sa ginagawa kong empire, it's Emperor Fried Rice. Ngayon, sobrang bilis ng growth ng social media ng Emperor Fried Rice. Sobrang dami agad followers sa TikTok, IG, Facebook. Lahat ng yun, nagmamaterialize na. Lahat ng mga puyat, pagod, at lahat ng pagka-lugi, nagmamaterialize ngayon. Kaya from now on, lagi nyo na makikita lahat ng mga ina-upload ko. Meron siyang mahabang videos. Merong long form videos na naka-landscape. So, maliit lang yung storage ng phone ko. Kaya, everyday din ako magbubura. Kaya, everyday upload. So, lahat ng mga hindi pwedeng i-upload, buburahin ko na agad para hindi mapuno yung storage ko. Medyo nakakailang lang ngayon yung camera ko kasi may ilaw. Wala pa kasi yung magandang ilaw eh. So, naka-on yung flash. Kaya, so, i-improve ko pa ng konti. So, yun. Chat lang sa mata. Noong mga nakaraan, nalay kong kausap ay si ChatGPT. ChatGPT, tinatanong ko siya, how can I grow my channel? So, marami siyang suggestion. Sobrang daming suggestion na pwede natin gawin. Know your niche and audience. Pick niche, tutorial, vlogs, food, lifestyle, reaction, business tips, etc. Know what your viewers create, care about, what problems can you solve, what makes them laugh, think, or stay. Create strong content plan. Start with pillar content. Top 5 how to make mistakes to avoid. Use YouTube Shorts for fast reach. They're easier to go viral. Plan content types, educational, how-tos, entertaining, stories, challenge, behind the scenes, BTS raw moments, trending reaction. Optimize every upload. Title include keywords, emotional hook. Example, how I grew my food business in 10,000, no experience. Thumbnail, bring bold text, expressive faces. Description, tags, add search keywords naturally. hashtags, use relevant ones, food blog, Pinoy recipes, gym tips. Post consistently, even it's once a week. Set a schedule every Friday, 6 p.m. Use tools like Notion, Trello, or YouTube Studio to plan uploads. Promote outside YouTube. Share clips on TikTok, IG Reels, FB, and link back to the full video. Join Facebook groups relevant to your niche and post value-based teaser. Collaborate with other small YouTubers. Engage with viewers. Reply to every comment, especially early viewers. Pin a comment to start discussion. Ask question with video, increase engagement. What's your favorite? Comment below. Study analysis. Watch time is more important than views. Find which videos have the best retention and make more like them. Use YouTube Studio Analytic Audience to see what time they online. Bonus grow hacks. Giveaway strategy, subscribe and comment to win. Series format, part 1, part 2 to keep them coming back. Viral hook in first 5 seconds. Grab attention fast. So alam po na yung gagawin ko. Meron akong mga bagong strategy na gagawin sa Emperor Fried Rice. Let's go!